Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day again, and today is February 25th, 2025, and it is my 269th Floss Tube. Wow. It has been a week. I don't know how something can be fast and slow, but work went slow. My days off kind of went fast, I guess. It was a week. I am telling you, I'm trying to get situated here, and my hair is just it's so dry. If I touch it, it gets like all staticky. Yeah. Well, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. We do cross stitch. Sometimes we do diamond painting. Sometimes embroidery, maybe every once in a while. But mostly cross stitch. So I hope you like what you see. And if you do, please subscribe and like and do all the things. And if you have been here before, welcome back. It's good to have you back. And I'm glad you're all still on this journey with me. I do have, for one more week, my February cup, and today is green tea with jasmine, because it's a little nippy. I mean, it was almost 60 degrees yesterday. I don't know. We may or may not get any more snow. I have nothing, but yeah. So we're just going to kind of go with it, but it was just absolutely lovely after the wind stopped blowing at 50 miles an hour. Yeah, and that was about dark. Yeah. So, let's get on to what y'all came for. I had 4 reviews, 5 if you count what I unbagged from AliExpress, and I had 5 starts. And the weird part about this, I didn't work on anything but the things that I started. I know. It even sounded weird when I said that. So we'll start with the first one that I have here in the pile, because they're all mega large. See if I can get the picture out of here. Well, it's here somewhere. What happened to it? Holy cow. Oh, I see. Okay. And then the thread's just going to attach itself to everything. This is called Dragon Boat Festival. And I'll try to hold it as still as I can. Sorry for the glare. Yep. It didn't look the same. Well, that was weird. Oh, I was looking at the wrong side. So I started down here in this corner, and then I wanted to work on the dragon boat right in here, and I think I actually got some of that building done, but I'm not real sure. So let's get it out. Yeah, there'll be straggling threads. So here is that bottom left hand corner. So I only put 2 colors in there. And then I came trying. It's a little, it's not so long, thank goodness. It's only like 150. So it's smaller than most of mine. Holy cow, but it's stiff. I have not crunched it. So I started working on the boat there. And it's, I think that one of those colors in there is the same color as what I was using down here on the bottom. So that was all that I got done on it. But I want to keep working on at least one of those boats, you know, the rest of the week, but it'll take a hot moment. And that came from Allie. And this one, if I can get it out of the bag, it was even harder to get out after I've already opened it. This is from 7 Great, and it's called The Streets of London. So for the video, I started working down here, but I started working, I don't know, did I? Maybe I started this last week. I don't remember. Yeah, I think it was last week. But anyway, then I started working on this part of the London Bridge. So we'll show you both. Hang on. So I wanted to see how dark it was going to show up. So I've just been working on this part up. So I think I've got a couple of more symbols there to work on, but so far so good. I think it's going to show up, and it'll show up better after the whole thing's done and you wash it, because you have all these colors behind it, so someday it's a little hard. But no, I didn't get any further than that. So yeah, but I really like this one, so we'll just, I want to get at least one of those, I'll call it a tower done, you know, that's in the shadows, so to speak, just so I can get an idea of what it looks like. All right, and this was the one that I got from my friend. Let's see if I can get a picture of it. Oh, it has a way bigger picture than even the dragon boat. So it's this one. I'm trying to get the glare off of it. Started on this side over here, and we started in that tree, and I went over and started working on a different part. Triangle. This one is kind of big. Let me put that back, because I can't afford to lose the pattern. And we have blue. Oh, please. It'll be a hot moment. Get it so it's folded in the right general direction. So I did put 2 colors, whether you can tell or not. Oh my God, that's hair. Into that tree part that we worked on. And even came down in here to run off part of that thread. And then I started working up. I'm assuming that's a sky. Yeah. And I start where the needle is at. It's like the top of that building. So I've just got like that light blue into that. So basically, yeah, I didn't get a whole lot done. But I really like it too, so these will all stay out. Oh, please. Oh, could I have any more things? Then this one came from Fan Cells. And, oh, I was going to say, I don't have a picture, but I do. Oh, please. It's, I can sure, no, didn't even have it going the right way. This is the one I call Pink Waterway, and I think I started up here in these trees. Can't really remember. Thank goodness it's a little bit smaller. So, hang on. Always have threads, I swear. So, that is... Trying to figure out, yep, it goes this way. So I started working in the pink trees. Didn't get any farther than that. But I really like this one too. I think it is beautiful with all those pink trees. Ugh. Love them. So all these ones I'm showing you are going to stay out. Trying to get them back in the bag is a nightmare. And this one, I'm not sure. Let's see. I think this was the biggest crap because I didn't write it down. And it's this one, and it's a partial, but it is also on that nice tan fabric. And of course the thread is right in the middle of everything. It's going to have its own bag. That's just all there is to it. So I gotta make sure it's right side up. Hang on. Fold. So I only worked on those 2 red flowers, and that was all I got done with that one, because I was on to something else at the time. So yeah, I think this has beautiful reds and oranges in it. It's just gorgeous, and I'm thrilled sick that it's a partial. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love that bird, but he's kind of big, so I'm not sure how soon I'm going to start on him. If I feel ambitious this week, maybe. Let's see. And I didn't work on the golden ladies. That's that great big huge one. I don't know how big it is. I don't know how to differ. It's the one with that potted plant I've been trying to fit. I didn't work on it last week that I know of. And the only other one that I worked on, and it wasn't a start, was this one. And it's Mediterranean. And we're working right up in here on that blue mountain. I really love this. It's right up there with Colorful Town. And see if I can hold it. So we were filling in these mountains up in here. So yeah, it's coming along. Little bit by little bit, but I just don't want to have to get up too far into that sky mess. Yeah. Not yet, not in the mood. But that is everything that I think that I worked on this past week. So, not a clue. I'll be working on all the others and that one too. Probably put some more into a Colorful Town. But yeah, like I said, long, short, busy, not busy. I have no clue what the rest of the week's going to be like. Now, on Saturday, the only thing I know is that we're going to change months, so it'll be March Saturday stitching, and I'll be working with the color green. So find something green, and you can work with me if you like, whenever you like, but green is the theme. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.